So what we're doing here today is a 600mm diameter, about 30 metres in length, reline using UV technology. We're using the hose pipe structure and we're able to pull the liner into place, inflate it, and then pull a light train through using a certain UV wavelength to cure the liner.
The liner is a GL16 liner, 6.5mm thick. It's been designed specifically for the project and will provide a 50-year design life.
We'll go and inspect the pipe using CCTV technology. We're inspecting the pipe for any structural issues, so any dislodgements, any cracking, any other breaks or any voids. We've gone through here and we've found that the pipe has got a bit of a belly in it and that there is some separation in the joints.
The rehab method that we're doing today is called Trenchless, cured in place pipe. We're repairing the pipe whilst it's still in operation or still in place. This allows us to get a longer pipeline done in a shorter amount of time, and we can do this whole rehabilitation process all in less than 1 day.
The liner will be pulled in using either a capstan winch or manpower, depending on how big the liner is or how long the liner is. Once the liner is in position, we'll then insert the end caps. So those end caps are what's going to hold all the air inside the pipe. We'll then pull a light train into position inside the liner. This is done using air to inflate the liner to a certain pressure. We pull that light train into place. While the liner is inflated to a certain pressure, we're removing all the creases inside the liner and creating a nice, smooth internal surface. The benefit of relining this pipe is that we're not actually having to interfere with the residents. They can go about their day to day while we're relining the pipe, whereas traditionally if you were to excavate, they would have to set up detours for the residents, but we're here relining, we're not actually interfering with them at all, so big benefit to the community.
It's a fantastic opportunity where we're all working together. There's a great cooperation between IMPREG, Nuflow Australasia, and also ProKasro doing a UV-CIPP relining installation job.